Join us on a captivating exploration into the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning, where groundbreaking innovations collide with pressing challenges. From revolutionizing healthcare to reshaping finance and transportation, discover the profound impact of AI and ML while delving into the ethical dilemmas and workforce transformations they entail. Get ready to unravel the future with us. From predicting diseases before symptoms arise to optimizing traffic flow in our cities, AI and ML are transforming our world in ways we never imagined. In healthcare, AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of medical data to revolutionize patient care, offering personalized treatments and predictive insights. Meanwhile, in finance, AI-driven systems are reshaping how we manage money, from fraud detection to algorithmic trading. And on the roads, AI-powered autonomous vehicles promise safer and more efficient transportation networks, while optimizing logistics and supply chains. Yet with these advancements come ethical dilemmas and societal challenges. Biased algorithms can perpetuate discrimination, while opaque AI systems raise concerns about accountability and transparency. Moreover, as automation reshapes industries, questions arise about job displacement and the need for upskilling the workforce to thrive in the digital age. But fear not, for as we unravel the complexities of AI and ML, we uncover opportunities for collaboration, innovation, and societal progress. Join us as we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of AI and ML, where the future is ours to shape. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of technology and innovation. Let us know your thoughts and any topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below.